Well, the Tone of Oppression is a signature program that the Office of Residence Life puts on every year. This program is specifically about privilege, diversity, oppression. A specific topic every year. This year is the trans people of color. So it's a free event to all students and also faculty and staff. It's the university, diversity is important. We have a strategic initiative in terms of to bring about diversity. I believe it's important for students to walk away with this. The most important thing I feel in terms of is to have students confront their own sense of privilege, looking at their own identity, looking at ways that they can better the world, looking at marginalized communities. And obviously this Tone of Oppression is about trans people of color, and so it's important that they have a chance to educate themselves, become aware, and become advocates for people who are marginalized within our community.